You ever just see one of those recipes, you're scrolling through social media, something comes across your screen, blows your mind? That's what today's recipe is. Now, I want to, first of all, give credit to this guy, Mr. Elkins. I watched his video and I saw this and I thought, this is absolutely easy, this looks delicious, and it's right up my alley. So today, we're gonna be making path of least resistance chicken pot pie. So let's get to cooking. All right, so what we have here is 2 cans of biscuits, just regular biscuits. We got an egg for a little bit of egg wash. We got our Dirty Bird and SPG. We have a package of Wright's bacon, 1 whole pulled chicken, and we got 2 cans of Campbell's Chunky pub style chicken pot pie. That's just what they use. So first things I gotta do is cook the bacon, but I'm only gonna use half of it. So a half a pound. If I could use it all, I 100% would absolutely use it all, but we're gonna cook the bacon, and then we'll chop up the chicken, and then we'll put it all together, get it in the baking dish, get it in the oven. Let's get some bacon going. I'm just gonna slice this into little 1-inch chunks. Shout out to Hexclad. So, Josh calls for 2 cups of bacon. I'm sorry, 2 cups of chicken, but I think we just use, we'll just eyeball it. Shout out to the Kosmo knife. I think that's enough chicken. Now, I'm just gonna add this to the pan. And now, 2 cans of pub style chicken pot pie. I was a little worried about this is gonna be a little bit runny. I don't know, that's pretty thick. I probably put too much chicken in there. That's pretty thick. That'll help get that chicken pot pie consistency. Just get our bacon done. He's over there screwing around and so I get a little warm. I think that's pretty done. Well, we got a bunch of bacon grease. Bunch of bacon. Here's my little kitchen hack. Take your bacon grease, line a bowl with foil, put it in there. Now, all you gotta do is put it in the fridge, and then you can have a little, like, bacon butter thing. That's Redneck 101 right there. Redneck 101. Oh, like a pro. How much do you do, 50-50?
Yeah, most people say all champagne, a splash of orange juice. I like 50-50.
The Sunny D. Cheers.
Cheers.
Man, that's good. That's not a lot of bacon. But I'm gonna season this. I'm gonna let this cool down for a minute. Hit it with some Dirty Bird. And you know, you gotta be coming in with that SPG. Game changer right there. Game changer. Both of them. Both of them are game changers. Nice little mixy mix. This had to be made by like a college kid or somebody like that. I'm gonna play, let's play it like that. Probably good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I wonder what it's gonna taste like. Let's get our biscuits cut up. For the biscuit portion, my man said to quarter them. And then we just start lining the entire top. One of the other things I saw is people using croissant cut up. That would be good too. Boom. One more drink. Now we brush all the tops. I'm really looking forward to this. Shout out to my wife, who's now running the camera.
God bless, here I come.
I gotta say, I've never done this, I don't think. All right, put her in the oven. You grab the door. So now we changed it to 350 till it's done. That looks good. Let's take a look. Oh man, they look good. Oh my gosh, they look so good. There's our extra biscuits. No biscuit was harmed in this video, by the way. This oven right here is all electric. Obviously not a fan of it, but it is what it is, so run what you burn. So it's been 30 minutes at 350 degrees. Let's take a look. Woo! Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Oh my gosh. Should we give it a couple more minutes? Let's turn it around. This side over here is not quite as... we'll give it 2 minutes. 2 minutes! This right here is phenomenal. Let's get over here. That looks freaking amazing. This thing is freaking smoldering hot. I'm not gonna lie to you. I really thought this was a super simple dish that really wouldn't probably be that good. But I'm telling you right now, this smells freaking like grandma's chicken pot pie. I've let it cool down a little bit because it was molting when it came out, but we gotta get a bite of this. We gotta get a bite. All right, this corner right here is all mine. Ooh, look at that. All right. God, this smells fantastic. Make sure it's cooled off. Some bacon, some little bit of everything. I'll tell you what makes it. The egg wash on the biscuit is real good. Well, hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you want this video right here, head on over to kosmosq.com/recipes. Print this off, make it for yourself. Shout out to Mr. Elkin. Thank you for the inspiration for this. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Just goes to show you, man. Anybody can screw up. But if you're making mimosas, it's okay.
It's on the side.
Where? How do people have the patience for shit like this? I'm not even going to see this coming.